Hello guys, this is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Today video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to solve a Peugeot 407 AC compressor AC blower motor not coming on. So if you have had this kind of problem before and you are wondering, or you currently have it and you're trying to solve the problem, I'm gonna show you exactly where to go, and you should find the boogeyman that is causing the problem. So let's go ahead. So the first thing you're gonna do, obviously, is to open this guy right here and pop the hood open. Then when you pop it open, you come all the way to this front chamber here. You're gonna be using a flat screwdriver to twist this, twist that, twist this, twist all the twistables around this place. Then you pop this guy up. Right now, when you pop it up, gonna be a little bit careful whatever you do here. I'm gonna be using this to show you what you need to do. You want to test out this 40 amp fuse that is here. Make sure that this is in good condition. And the next fuse which you want to check is this guy right here, this 40 amp fuse. Now I'm not going to give you too much lecture about this. I just want to show you what it does. And if you are the one who is complaining that your Peugeot 407 AC compressor is not getting power, then you should go ahead and replace this fuse, and you should have power at the compressor as much as the blower motor inside. Hope this solves your problem. I'll catch you later.